Yo, what up? I'd seen Mr. Mad Gus's video about show us your BAF'S. This has nothing to do with anything. This is just a shit I got in the past 2 weeks. I'm trying to upload the video, but the video is so big that it keeps fucking not going through. But I have another video. I'm gonna try to upload that after this one. It's just gonna be a quick one. I'm gonna go through all my BAF'S and then everything on my bed. That's what I'm building, and then the extras on the left real quick because my daughter's sleeping. I'm not gonna talk. All extras. If anybody's looking for pieces, let me know. Oh yeah, by the way, if anybody's looking for Mojo and Modog pieces, I think I have almost one complete Mojo, or no, 2 complete Mojos extras besides the 2 complete ones, and almost got a extra Modog too. Alright.